Here we will configure Mozilla Firefox 8.0 for the Mac to connect from off-campus. First, let's double-click on the Mozilla Firefox icon to open your browser. On the top menu bar, you will see the word Firefox. Click on that word. A drop-down list pops up. Select Preferences. The Preferences dialog box appears. Click on the Advanced icon located at the top right side of the Preference dialog box. Choose a second tab labeled Network. On the Network screen, you will see a section called Connection at the very top. It states that here is where you will configure how Firefox connects to the Internet. Click the Settings button. Another dialog box appears titled Configure Proxies to Access the Internet. This is where we will determine how the browser will speak to the Vanguard University proxy server by entering in a special URL. In this Configure dialog box, select the bottom radio button labeled Automatic Proxy Configuration URL. Now we will enter in the automatic proxy configuration URL. Remember to type it in exactly, otherwise it will not work. Type in http://vanpack.vanguard.edu/proxy/vuproxy.pac. Click OK at the bottom of the Configure dialog box. Now let's exit the Advanced dialog box by clicking the red button at the top. Let's test it. Go to the library homepage. Here I've already preset my first homepage to the library.vanguard.edu. Scroll down to the section called Databases and Electronic Resources. We will choose the ProQuest databases as our example. When you select any database, a dialog box will appear requesting your username and password. This is same as the one that you used to access your VU email. Here you can see my username and I have typed in my password. Click OK. As you can see, it automatically took us to the ProQuest databases. Now you have free access to all the VU library databases. You only have to enter the username and password once in order to utilize these. You will only have to re-enter the username and password again if you close out your session, leave the library website, or disconnect from the Internet. Now feel free to discover and search the databases.